Hi everyone, welcome back to the Model Garage Islamabad. Dear friends, thank you so much for tuning in. I am back with another unboxing video. Today we have 20 Toyota GR Supra from Then and Now series. This pretty car is 8 of 10 from the series and the vehicle number 241 out of 250 from 2022. Here is the back side of the car. Our red beauty is ready for the unboxing. Dear friends, our red beauty is here after the crack. This pretty car is full of the great details, especially on the headlights, and the Toyota logo is looking great. This pretty car is designed by the legendary designer of the Hot Wheels, late Ryo Seda. And this one is the 6th edition and the first one in my collection. These are the 10 spoke wheels, black base and black interior with the clear windows. Nice finishing of the both sides with the Grady logo and the tiny logo of the Hot Wheels. The rear details are pretty weak, especially the license plate and the stop lights. Our pretty Toyota Supra is ready for a grand race. The Toyota Supra versus 25 cars. I hope you guys will enjoy the race. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and the grand race. I will be back with another great video, so stay tuned and keep watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care, have a lovely day. Bye bye.